Okay, now we are alive now. I don't remember how to do because I was looking for my code for my some river. This was my project that I
Yes,
used it
this is
for my last class, but
C230.
I don't remember how to put the field in front of.
So, okay, I will try to work on my screen.
For example, for comments, we can use this a good field like this.
So instead of having a long field, have
Yes.
a field like a box instead of a long one.
Yeah.
Is that what you want?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Oh.
My page was very beautiful, but now is
Where did this?
crazy.
Where did the CSS go?
I don't know what happened. Now it's very crazy.
Yeah.
I need to look for again for my page. For example, Borgelos, your page is very beautiful. I love it.
It's excellent. The design is good. Just needs to have a little bit of editing, which I can do that because English is my first language. So I just, on the left-hand side, I don't know should we have buttons like or a border around each one of those?
Okay.
So like you have elders quorum, you have bishop, and then you have like a border separate, separate like this is a button,
Oh yeah.
Yes, but I wanted to design the button.
Okay.
This is not like the other CSS attributes. We can I don't
Right.
know if there is an attributes for submit how can I say submit parameters, but there is one for button, but I don't know if there is one for submit like this in the code. You can see it in the code
Okay.
next to reset, the button for submit and the button for reset. I should have designed it to be like the wooden part of the header. They could be like this, but I don't know how to do this.
What we could do is you could have it be a button, I guess, but what you could do is have it input into a function. So on click, do a function, like input. So I guess whatever makes it easiest for you, because we can make I guess we can make a link or on click, make it, yeah, and add the JavaScript there. So.
Okay. So one thing I think we can do is that it's Casey or Kazi? I don't know how to.
Casey, yes, like just K and then a C. That's the easiest way.
Okay. So Casey, brother Casey, I think it's easy for you to the other things I cannot do. So if you can or something like another last design you can do to the page, you can do it. So I am still searching for other design. If you can, if you like this, I will let it like that.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Just a moment. Oops. Brother Lois. Brother Lois?
Hey, yes, I'm here.
Are you using this homepage for your project for CIT 260?
What are you talking about?
Now, are you using this homepage for your project for CIT
Oh, okay.
260 class?
No, I was talking about the Salmon River.
Okay.
I was talking about the Salmon River, the one that you are working on. So the only class I had is CIT 111, CIT 160, CIT 230.
260. Oh,
No, I didn't have 260. This is my first 260, and this is 61.
oh, sorry, oh, sorry. Sorry.
So
You
yes,
say teach you 30. Okay. I was right. 260
yes,
is object oriented. Is the current
yes, I didn't
class.
have it, but I'm going to have it. I'm going to have it the next semester.
All right.
So I had CIT introduction to databases. I had introduction to programming, introduction to Excel, and now I am on CIT 261.
Okay. Um, I'm trying sharing again my homepage.
Okay.
My original. But I don't know, but I have problem again with my laptop to share. Can you share your screen using my address?
Oh, you want me to?
So you
Because now all not is working.
Oh, okay.
My laptop is dead. And then I'm very crazy because I have a lot of things to do
There you go.
for other
Isn't
class
it?
and you lost everything. I'm
Is
stuck.
this what you wanted to see right here? Or did you want to
So
see one of the pages?
you can see how the navigation is easy. So I click on Bishop, and it gave me Bishop. Elders Court President, and it's like that. And President. There is some differences between the field. Some field added in the elders quorum president because or are not required for the teachers, and some information in that required for the so they are in Bishop dashboard or Bishop user interface. Can you see it?
Yep.
Yeah.
I can see it.
Okay. So the next step is to make it work like it is like Gmail account or a Yahoo account or everything that can send an email. This is the objective now.
Okay. In my web class last semester, the professor that I took it from recommended that we don't use Mail too, because most people don't use Exchange or some sort of email program.
Oh yes, I learned that in W3 schools.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
the so what he recommended is you can have the email link in the page itself, or you can have some type of button, I guess, on top of it. Is what he recommended. I know, so I was never able to figure that out, but
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, so who is going to work for the link or for the server or the PHP page?
I'll do the PHP page. It'll take a little bit of me getting used to. I haven't done PHP in a long time, but I'll give it a shot. I'll just need to know. Well, as long as the variables and the inputs and fields remain the same names, then we'll be okay.
Okay. So
But these PHP pages, what do you want them to do?
so I think that a PHP page is required here to let the message go to the order, to the email, to the receiver. So I read this on Google last night, and the PHP page is required, added to the JavaScript and the HTML document.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So I will search for it on Google tonight, and I will post it. And I will post an example on GitHub, so you all can see it.
Right. So do you want this PHP page? I don't know the capabilities of PHP or JavaScript, but I know that one of them will have to input into a server of some kind. So I don't know what. I mean, I don't have any database software or anything like that on my server, and that would be. I think that would be outside the scope of this class, but yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think? I mean, do we need to have SQL running or something like that?
Yes, I thought about SQL, but I had this class a long time ago, so it was in January. I think I can find some books that I had for this class. I think I will search for this the queries. Is queries or carries? I don't know how to.
Queries, yes.
Okay, yes. I think I will find some queries, but I don't know how to link the databases, the language, and the HTML language.
I don't know.
SQL and HTML, I don't know how to link them.
Let me.
Can you hear me or see me?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Because everything is freezing for my laptop. I'm looking for my smartphone. Can you see the page in
So
it?
I can see your NetBeans IDE.
Okay. Oh, but you can see. Are you seeing my screen sharing?
Yes.
Okay. I'm trying to stop it, but I can't. Oops. No. Oops.
Okay. Now it's
okay. Oh, good. Can you see my? Okay. Excuse me. I'm trying to. Oops.
okay. This is another issue.
Yes.
Because this is not responsive.
Yes.
So I think that I will add CSS responsive. So
yes.
I have to divide the screen
Okay. Yes.
and ports. So each port can be resized in a phone or tablet or laptop.
This is very easy to do, but I'm looking for a smartphone. It's very beautiful. I love it. Your your homepage, the colors, this colors is very beautiful. But
Yeah.
we need download this background because I was looking for your code. Are you using URL?
Yes, I use
Because
image hosting. This is an image hosting site.
yes,
So every time I try to put the name of the image or the picture as a URL, I don't know why the image do not appear. So I don't know. I put the image on the same folder as the HTML document. It's the same. So I asked someone how to do this another way, and they told me that I can do it through a website. Uh, this is postimage.com. So this is a image hosting. So you can host this image on the internet so that it can provide you a link,
yes.
and this link added as a URL.
This can be dangerous because, for example, this page change, we will lose our background.
Okay,
My suggestion
okay, I'm waiting for it.
it's download the image.
Oh, okay.
If you can, I don't know if it's possible because that's copyrighted to image. I don't know if if it's free to download because it must be carried with copyright.
So when I hosted these images, they had no expiration date, so
Okay. Ah,
they are free. This is a free hosting image hosting site.
I understand because this happened with me with my homepage. I
Oh,
lost my
oh, okay. This is why your homepage is white, so the background is white. This is
very good.
what I.
No, different. It was very beautiful my homepage, but now
Yes,
it's
I.
very crazy.
Okay, okay, I understand. So you can see it. It's post image, postimage.com. So this is a good image hosting website.
Okay. Uh, I've sent an email for brother client because I'm already because I don't know if we need use all top codes in our homepage or in our application because um, perhaps we need to use one or two or three JavaScript here.
So I think we must add most JavaScript than now, because it's all about CSS and HTML, but the only JavaScript part is about clicking on the button and having the field sent. So I think that we must add more JavaScript than before. So this JavaScript can trigger CSS and HTML at the same time.
Okay. Um, when you click in submit, this
Yes,
is working.
it's working.
Yes, for you it's okay. Is working.
But no, I think I thought it was not working, but it was about the configuration on Outlook. So remember that I told you that this
Yeah.
is not Windows 8 or Windows 10 laptop. This was a Windows 7. So they told me to configure Outlook, but Outlook was not working, and this is why I could not test it. So you say that it's working?
No. For me, it's not working because um, we need to use perhaps MySQL to use, because we need the store this information.
Yes, you need to store the information. Yes, I know.
I'm trying to open my project for all the class. It's other. I need to run a lot. Let me see if my laptop let me do this. I'm trying to open my project. Just one please.
Okay.
Where's my project? No. Week 10, week 9. Okay, I'm fine here. I want to share my SQL workbench, but
okay.
Now it's impossible to do this because my laptop will not work well.
So for me, it's not possible to help you with the queries, because I remember I lost my laptop, and this is where I stored my
I know.
So I lost my SQL workbench.
Okay. This is my project proposal for CIT 336. I'm looking for. I'll share my diagram.
I remember this short.
Remember? Now it's. I remember when I shared it with you. This was different because their relationship was different. Now it's correct.
Oh.
This is the field that we need in this example. We need to use for our page. My page for other class, I use other fields, but we use the similar like this. For example, when I type a full name in my web page, I have MySQL that stored my information, like the full name, the birth date, the email, the phone number. For family manager, for family catalog, and MySQL will store family name. And for visit report, we have some questions about the visitor, this visit. For example, we need to use the similar like this because our screen is different. Let me share. For example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 fields too. For example, my companion for my visiting. The priest leader is
so this is a further. So I have the father, the head of this family.
Yes, Okay. I'm looking
So this
for.
is the bishop dashboard.
Yes, I'm looking for other. Oops.
Okay.
Elder Carlos, the president. I'm trying to. Its family was number of persons at home was 4, but now they are alone because his daughter is married now. Each
Oh, okay.
one is living in other home. For comment,
Blah blah blah. Okay.
blah blah. The same for in English. Use this for in Portuguese too. Blah blah blah.
Okay.
Uh,
Send.
send to you email. I know that
So
reset is working. I try it's working. It's very good.
yes. So remember and the code. So there is a mail to attributes. So in the mail to attributes, you must add the
I
email.
know.
So this is my email.
I know. Yes, yeah, yes, I know.
So you can change it by your own way, and you can add every email. So if it is the elders quorum dashboard, so you can have the bishop email in it, and this message will go to the bishop email.
Yes.
So and the visitors dashboard and the code, you can add the elders quorum president email and the mail to attribute. So this is how I designed it. So every leader, well, each leader can send the message to the other one that is up to him.
Yeah, my additional idea is we can use this for. I don't know. Am I correct? It's visiting teachers for women,
Yes.
isn't it? We can
So
use this for.
yes, we can use it for it.
And for men, we use it for core elders, or high
Yes.
priest, or high priest. It's the
Yes.
same. High priest and the elders. The
So
same.
I think it's the same. It's the same settings for them.
I have a question for you. For you everyone? Do you submit anything for Brother Klein?
I submit
What's that?
something. I submitted something in my code topic Dropbox.
Yeah, I just submitted all the codes that I had done throughout the semester.
I want to see what you do. For example, Brother Klein send me an email. I don't know if copy with you, but he said that our group is the only group. Excuse me, the only team is working for this class, because the other teams is not working as we are working. And I was looking for again. Don't have more the team 3.
Yes, we are team 3.
Yes. I remember these assignments. Was not here.
Yes,
But now these are here.
So
So
can I
I look.
can I ask you a question?
I received this feedback. And I don't know if this is right, is correct.
But
I'd like to know if you receive the same feedback or a
yes,
better feedback, because my
I
feedback
received this. I received this feedback too because I submitted an application against my color application. So the teacher told me that I have to host a GitHub page and to post this application on GitHub. So I choose the option for GitHub because I did not host the website for this semester. So I
I
think this is the same feedback than me.
I was very curious to see your app by about colors.
Oh, okay.
Uh,
So I have another question about Osvaldo.
yes.
Are you hearing me? Okay, so what I'm supposed to put in the other Dropbox, like my scheduling Dropbox.
What?
Yes, the professional scheduling Dropbox. What am
I
I
don't.
supposed to put in it?
Let me see. I don't see nothing because I don't know what to do here. I think. Let me see. Uh, oh, where? Just a
I
moment,
don't know.
please.
I don't know if it is something like to say I was present. I was present in the I was attending the meeting. So I don't.
It's remember this.
Yes,
This
I.
is um. We need fill
Oh,
these.
okay. Okay, this is about the Excel short.
Yes, we need fill
Okay.
this. For example, we.
Okay.
Oh, oh, every score is 0. Okay.
Okay.
When I use X, see the difference now? Oh,
Okay.
10.
Okay.
For example, I
So it's
use,
now 30%.
yes. For example, I use disagree, for example.
Okay.
Here we receive a score.
So what I am strongly agree or agree or disagree. So it's about I don't know why I put X on strongly. This is like how can I say this? A survey. Can you explain me why I am putting X in each box?
Uh, this is my understanding. I don't know if it's correct, this word, but in our meetings each week,
Yes, I know that.
we share a topic, right?
Okay.
Or share these GitHub. Uh, for example, about loops, conditional statements, functions, variables, parameters, arrays, associated arrays.
Yes.
About these topics, I'm strongly agree, or I'm agree, or
Yes.
I'm disagree,
Disagree
or I'm strong
or
disagree.
yes.
It be honest to feel this, and
Okay.
because um,
So
I
when I strongly agree, I agree with the other members of the group that they were correct. Is that
yes,
is that right?
yes. For example,
Okay.
if you
Oh, okay, I
Uh,
understand.
okay.
So when you
Uh,
strongly agree, you have all the grid.
yes. For
Okay,
disagree, 82.
okay.
Oops.
So the work I have to do is to go to the chart, to the Excel
Um,
chart, and fill these boxes.
yes.
Okay, I will do it tonight.
Uh, but now looking if you now, I think that I don't know what's correct. Be- Uh, let me see this. Let me
Okay,
back again. Just a moment, please. Be patient with my Warrior laptop.
okay. So, Brother
Uh,
Valdo,
yes.
please, can you send this short for me as a link on the CIT on the team uh the team Hangouts account? Can you send me another time?
You are you talking about this?
No, the Excel short. So the link to get into the Excel short.
What link are you
So
thinking?
I remember in Hangouts and Hangouts you send it.
I'm trying
You
to.
send it. You
Oops.
send it as a message when we were setting up the team.
I don't remember.
Okay, so I will search for it in the message. I will search for it.
Uh,
It was a document, the Excel documents. You send it.
excuse me. Oh, this document? Oh, I mean,
Ok, d'accord, d'accord. Gen pi moun de yo? An ebe, ok. Ok. Missionnaire yo la tout? Ok. Ebe, ok.
professionals.
Yes, this shot, Brother Valdo, this shot. Can you send it on the CIT to 61 team?
Oh,
Okay, can you send it to me
all
personally?
right. Oh, yes. Excuse me. I'm trying to remember when uh,
Yes, I downloaded it, but it's lost.
okay, okay.
So you can send it to me now, and I can
Yes, yes.
store it in this computer.
Sorry, I was thinking about the other thing.
Oh, okay, no
Uh,
problem.
let me see. I think that have this. Let me see for resource.
So if it,
I can.
I don't remember where it is in the contents. I remember I saw it at the beginning of the course, but now I can't find it.
I
It's
must
like a
remember.
phase.
Okay, I send for you.
Okay, thanks.
I just remember when I let me see the address. I send for you. Don't worry.
Okay, send a blank one.
No, oops.
Oh,
Oh, here. I don't feel nothing here too.
okay, so it's
Uh,
blank.
it's blank.
Okay.
But I don't know if I need to split this for brother Klein or like this. For example,
I think
come
we
on,
will
man.
submit we will submit it
Oh,
as a file. we will submit it as a file. So
Me
the
too.
file will be filled. The file
Like,
will be filled. After we will send
like
it to.
this.
Yes, we will send it as a Excel file.
This was my file when I share in our meeting.
Oh, okay, yes. So I already sent 2 files for the code topic block.
Yes, because we divide our topics with each
Yes.
one of us. When I use this, oops, wrong page. Where that?
I think it is in the green one, CIT to okay, the Google Sheet.
Yeah.
The Google Sheet, yes.
Yes. And
Yes.
it's crazy. We lost.
Sorry, I've been really quiet. I've been setting up the SQL database, and I am just trying to wrap my head around it.
Okay.
Yeah, SQL is a lot to take in.
Well, I was set to take the class last spring, but I overbooked myself, so it's one of the classes I had to drop. So I don't know much about SQL. So I need to learn SQL in a day. So here we go.
Okay.
Oops. For example, I use blue color here to show me what I share with you in our meetings. And this was our each topic. Remember, we did each topic with us to share one another in our meeting. I think it was 7 topics each one of us, because we lose brother Lewis in the middle of our meetings.
Okay.
Brother Casey,
Yes.
if you want to, can you share what you do for this code top Dropbox? I would like to see what you made here.
Let's see.
Is the same or different?
Mine's different. I just submitted the link to my GitHub in a text file. So that way he can, and then when he wants to view my code topics, he just goes into my GitHub and he can see them all from there.
Ah, yes. Because I did this because I received this feedback.
Right.
And I retake my submissions, but I don't receive nothing about this. Because I don't know it's right now. My last modified was in 2025, and today is December 2nd. I received nothing about my submissions. And I created this. Oops, on my homepage for this class. And this was my topics. Here I use other examples. This example we don't use in our meetings. It's different here. For example, these variables I use, I think, because in Brazil we use Celsius to temperature. For example, I want to know how convert in Fahrenheit, for example, 32, and I click here. Oops, the temperature. This code convert temperature Celsius to Fahrenheit, and this is the code. Open, please. I use this script. Can you see my script? I use this script to calculate this conversion temperature to Celsius to Fahrenheit. And I think we need to use the similar for our home page or other kind of code or JavaScript. I don't know if it's necessary to use. I have this forgot name. I have a doubt about this. If I need use JavaScript or we need to use a simple home page that everything is working and is now. I don't know. What do you think about? We lost connection with your brother Lois.
Yeah, we did.
Sister Michelle, what do you think?
So are you asking if we need like a home page?
Let me try share my home page with my laptop. Let me see this. Oops. Let me back. Oops. Up here. For example, this field is we don't receive a calculate. Is that we need just put just a string here. That's not calculate nothing. I'm worried about this. I like this homepage. It's very simple. It's very functional. I love it. But I don't know if it is what the brother Klein wants that we need to do for this class.
Like you're not sure if it does what we need it to do for the class?
I will send an email for him and I will ask him about this homepage. What did he think about this? Because now we have 2 weeks to finish our apps. This,
right.
for me, in my opinion, is very good. What do you think about this homepage?
I think it's fine. I think if you're worried about it, what we could do is we could have like a home, like more of a home page where it's, you know, like up in the left-hand corner, it will say home, and it will just like maybe have a description of what, you know, the whole purpose of the program is, what it does. And then we could add also a home teacher report for, you know, another tab up in the left-hand corner for individuals submitting it, which is what this page is now, just so we have more of like a legitimate, like, instead of, okay, bam, here's homepage and put information in, it's more of a, you know, just a general homepage that looks nice, that has a description, and then you can go where you want to in the corner.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
That would not be very hard to build. I think we should focus more on the meat of the app before we start doing the
Aesthetics.
yeah, that's what I was trying to say.
Yeah.
So I'm looking here at MySQL. I have an administration page to build the databases, and this is going to be interesting. I don't even know what to say other than it's massive. Here, let me just share you my screen so that way I can show you what I'm looking at. This is the page that I manage the SQL from. So I honestly am trying to figure out how to use this. So like here, I would say table name. I don't know how many columns we'll need. So 4. I know like this one's going to be first name, and then I know that this is specifying the columns going across the top, and I think that when we add one record in there, then it has all these fields. So let me open up your page again. But before I really get into this, I can work on this and see what I can do with it. But for now, what else do we need to go over?
Just what more needs to be done, and what can I do? Assign me something, guys. I can do stuff.
I have a question. Are you using PHP administration in web or local?
I am using PHP my admin as a front end to administrate my database. It just sounded easier for me, so that way I don't have to do everything from the command line. So I was hoping this would make it a little bit easier to do. It's just a matter of how I'm going to build the database and then the PHP on top of it.
I ask because I use both. I use the local, and I use the homepage because I use the Bluehost to store my information for my SQL.
Does Bluehost do that?
Do you use Bluehost?
I do have Bluehost, yes, but this is my local server.
This is for me too. Do you know that you can use MySQL using Bluehost?
I didn't know that because I've never used it. How is it?
All right. You share if you let me show my screen. Let me remember database. Wait for login. here we create a MySQL database. This Guitar One newspaper I used for my other class, but let me back. Oops. Okay. Manage files. CIT. I'll share with you my. Okay. Oops. Database tools. Here I have MySQL database. No. Wrong page. Let me back again. Excuse me. PHP my admin. This my PHP my admin is I have in Bluehost.
That looks just like the page that I have here on my local server.
All right. I use this because it's very easy to use this. Okay.
Hey guys, I'm sorry, I gotta get going. My husband just came home and we have tickets for something soon, so I gotta get going. But yeah,
No
let me know what I can do to help out.
Okay.
I send an email for brother client,
Mm-hmm.
and I asked for him what he think about this homepage.
Okay.
Because for me, it's very good. This page. We need fix one thing here, one thing there. Should be because we need to use this for smartphone and then tablet.
Right. Okay.
Because this page is not responsive for smartphone, for example. Okay.
Okay. All right. See you guys next meeting.
Bye. Have a good weekend.
So are we going to talk some more, or do you think that we should just try to do with what we have? Because it's probably really late for you, like what, midnight?
I have a lot of assignment for all the class, and I'm very late because my laptop for these last 2 weeks is very slow. I understand that we have this laptop for 5 years.
Right.
And for example, today is a miracle because we are using a Hangout, and I use the NetBeans and the Google Chrome. We have a lot tabs open, and now it's working well. And I need to use this good time to continue.
Okay, that's fine. I've got a lot of other things I need to do as well.
What do you think about this homepage? Do you like it?
I like the way it looks. I just hope that it's going to be enough to, enough that it covers the requirements. that it's, you know, big enough. You know, it seems like it's a lot of web with a little bit of JavaScript, and it sounds like the assignment is he wants more JavaScript than, you know, because it needs to go over some of, you know, portions of the code topics.
Okay, correct.
So we will see.
Okay, I would like you to meet for the next weeks, the Friday, because Friday will be better for me, because I don't work in Saturday, and I can have a long night to sleep, because I'm going to the temple in the afternoon, so I have a long time to be awake. But in the middle, in the week, it's very hard to me.
Yeah, it is.
I was about six months and applying without job, and I have a long time to study, but now my time is very short, and I need for my challenge, my notebook, my laptop is not working. I said notebook because in Brazil we call a laptop notebook, but no, I know notebook in United States is different for us. Okay, thank you for our meeting for this night.
Yeah.
Have a good weekend, and please share. Think about what you need to do for our homepage. This code is my homepage. I use this CIT 262.familiamelo200.2000.com.
Okay.
Excuse me. Okay.
Okay.
I will send an email for about the client. I will ask him for about our homepage. Okay. Bye bye.
All right. Have a good night.
Good night. Thanks for all.